Hey, what's up guys? My name is John and I'm an emergency medicine PA. In today's video, I'm sharing how much money I made in 2022 and how much my net worth increased by. I'm also going to talk about my plans for 2023. The point of this video is to be fully transparent with you guys. I would like to stress that the average PA is probably not making as much money as I am because the average PA is probably a lazy sack of shit. I made $152,040 from my main job as a PA, which began in mid-January. That figure includes a $5,000 401k match and a $13,000 yearly bonus. So my estimated hourly rate, when you divide up how much money I made by how many hours I worked, was nearly $84 an hour for 2022. I also started working a per diem gig in the emergency department. So these numbers are only for November and December. In those 2 months, I managed to make $18,208.30 from my locums job. So that means for my PA career alone, I made $170,248.30. And this is a gross number. This is before the thousands of dollars of taxes that I paid. My plan for this year, my plan for 2023 is to increase the amount of money that I'm earning from my locums job, by doing 1, 2, 3 shifts a month at a very good high hourly rate. You guys could go check out my video on how much money I'm making from my locums job and then use the extra time to work on my other endeavors like my YouTube channel. My next most prominent source of income this year comes from my Airbnb. As you guys may or may not know, I started an Airbnb in my home that I just purchased. I'm trying to house hack my living expenses. I share a lot of videos on my Airbnb, so go check my channel out for those. So from May 2022, guys, not even a full year of rentals, I made $13,524. I also earned $6,839.23 from my various online businesses. And lastly, the YouTube channel. This channel made $1,995.64. It's like barely breaking even from the amount of money that I've actually invested into this YouTube channel and the time. So if you guys enjoy this sort of content, please subscribe. It doesn't cost you a thing. Also, hit that like button down below and leave a comment down below. Helps the channel out so much. Thank you. So for 2022, that comes out to a grand total of $192,606.99. That income, fun fact, that income places me in the top 2% of people my age. 2%. I earned more than 98% of people my age, guys, when you consider single income. So a few caveats from that number. This is one income. I do not have any kids. I live in a medium cost of living area. It's not like New York City or DC, but it's also not very cheap to live where I live. Where I live is actually one of the wealthiest places in Pennsylvania. So cost of living, sure. This figure also neglects the tens of thousands of dollars that I paid in taxes to the IRS mafia, to Daddy Uncle Sam. So yeah, as much as I'd love to touch all of that money, a lot of it gets taken out in terms of taxes. I have nothing to gain from showing you guys these numbers. YouTube already pays me for crap. I'm just putting it all out there because if I can inspire one person to at least think about how much money they're making, to at least reconsider their financial position, to at least think about tracking their net worth, I feel like it is a net positive. The video is also for all of you guys who are in school or you are contemplating going to PA school. You are hitting the books right now. You are staring at a computer screen all day, every day, studying 8+ hours a day. Just want you guys to know that there is a light at the end of the tunnel and that all of your hard work does have a reward if you consider financial freedom as a rewarding thing to try and strive for. My goal for 2023 would be to exceed the $200,000 a year mark, gain more real estate, to continue working on my Airbnb and online businesses. That is just overall the goal. You take it 1 year at a time, and then 10 years from now, you look back and you kind of see how much you've gained. So for the second part of this video, guys, my net worth. I track my net worth using a Google spreadsheet. Your net worth is essentially the summation of all of your assets subtracted by any debt. And tracking your net worth is very important only because I'm sure you're out there every month paying down debts, and I'm also sure you're out there saving and investing. One easy way to track your progress is by looking at your net worth. And I would heavily suggest you guys track your net worth somehow, whether you use a third-party platform or you use your own spreadsheet. For 2021, my net worth increased by $57,000 $315. And in 2022, so last year, my net worth increased by $106,000, guys. And that is even with the stock market portfolios being down 19 or 20%. So that is an insane consideration. I am stoked to continue paying down my debts, to continue saving for another rental property, another Airbnb, and also stoked to max out my 401k for 2023 and to jack up that net worth even more. If you are at the start of your journey like I am, then you are slogging away. We are in the trenches right now. You need time for your net worth to gain momentum. You need time for your investments to compound. And so at the beginning, it is a slog, but every dollar that you save now, every dollar that you put away now will earn you a lot more money in the future. So that is the goal. If you guys are a PA or an NP earning $200,000 a year or more, please feel free to email me at john@johnthepa.com. I'm looking to interview people, whether it is just a phone interview, a video interview, you answering some questions and I share it with my audience. I want people to see what are PAs out there doing to earn a lot of money. Guys, I do a ton of videos on wealth and finance related topics. So if you're interested in that sort of content, please check out my other videos. I have a lot of cool stuff on my channel already. If you enjoy this sort of stuff, please consider subscribing to my channel. Subscribers don't earn me money, but it just tells me that you are interested in seeing more of my content. If you guys enjoyed this video, hit that like button down below. If you want to share what your plans are for 2023, guys, I do read each and every single comment, so I really do appreciate your comments. And guys, as always, stay safe out there. Have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.